Hey guys, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more videos.
Sean Asriel Kano Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Meowser Makes a Scheming Face Grounded. And it was inspired by Diamond Gamer 5149, Janu the Video Maker 2005, Shimsunda 1997, and Thekul Plotagon and Gamer King 2014.
I'm going to make a scheming face. Oh my god! Dark Meowser, how dare you make a scheming face?
That's it, you are grounded for 36 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.